Outdated drivers cause many common problems. In this video, we will explain how to keep your drivers up to date in Windows. Drivers are the software that lets Windows communicate with your hardware, and keeping them current ensures everything runs smoothly and securely. The easiest method is Windows Update, which automatically downloads and installs many drivers for you. Check it regularly in Settings under Windows Update, and install any optional driver updates listed there. For most people, this handles the majority of drivers automatically. To update a specific device manually, open the Device Manager, find the device, right-click it, and choose Update Driver, letting Windows search for the latest version. For graphics cards, it is often best to download drivers directly from the manufacturer's website or their dedicated app, since these offer the newest versions with performance improvements for the latest games. The same applies to some specialized hardware. Be cautious with third-party driver updater tools, as not all are trustworthy, so stick to official sources. If a driver update ever causes problems, you can roll it back to the previous version in the Device Manager. Keeping your drivers updated prevents many issues, improves performance, and keeps your hardware working reliably and safely.